Welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you how to earn up to $5,000 in a month. Are you seeking ways to improve your income because you're sick of living paycheck to paycheck? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll provide 5 tested methods that can help you achieve your financial objectives and earn an extra $5,000 each month. Number 1. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel is one way to earn additional money. Consider starting a blog or YouTube channel. If you are passionate about it or an expert in a certain area, by producing informative content, you may grow your audience and earn money from your blog or channel. Growing a successful blog or YouTube channel through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing requires time and effort. But with commitment and consistency, it can be a rewarding side hustle. Number 2. Sell your services or products. Talent that others are ready to pay for. You can also sell real or digital goods through an online store or platform like Etsy or Amazon. Whether you're selling goods or services, it's critical to pinpoint your target audience and develop a marketing strategy to get in front of them. Number 3. Rent out your property. If you own a property, such as a spare bedroom, vacation home, or even your primary residence, you can earn extra money by renting it out. Several platforms, such as Airbnb and VRBO, allow you to list your property and attract renters by providing a clean, comfortable, and convenient place to stay. This will draw a steady stream of guests and allow you to make a sizable amount of money each month. Number 4. Invest in the stock market. If you're new to investing, it's a good idea to start with a small amount of money and educate yourself on the different investment options available. You can also think about working with a financial advisor to help you make informed decisions about your investments with careful planning and a long-term approach. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to make extra money, but it's important to understand the risks involved. A successful method of earning more income is a stock market investment. Number 5. Starts a side hustle. Last but not least, one of the most common ways to earn additional cash is to establish a side hustle. A side hustle is a job or business that you may undertake in addition to your full-time employment. Possibilities for side hustles range from providing virtual assistants to selling homemade crafts to pet sitting. Finding a side business that fits your interests and abilities can allow you to earn extra money while pursuing your ambitions.